putting our mailbox post in. Our neighbor came over and helped us with the post hole digger. He let us borrow his too, but then he also operated it a little bit too. So we got very specific postal requirements as far as height and distance from the road and everything. So we needed to make sure we had all that done right. And then we're gonna throw a bag of the post saccharine in there, the fast setting post concrete. So yeah, we'll have our mailbox. There's our mailbox. Nice and secure. We're getting ready to put the numbers on it and go from there. Threw a couple reflectors on it because it's regulation height and distance from the road, but I don't want people taking it out not knowing, not used to it's here. But it doesn't look like they really go off the road much here. That being said, there's a tire mark right there, but we'd have been safe. We've been collecting rainwater in buckets here, coming off of the drip rails on the bus. And we just started this yesterday. So between last night, hasn't even been 24 hours, this 55-gallon barrel we filled up with water here, 2/3 of the way full right now. So we're using our rainwater here and just refilling these jugs and keeping one in the bathroom. When we go to flush the toilet, we use the water from this instead of using our fresh water. So just a way for us to extend our stay out here on the property where we don't have any services. So our fresh water is going to last a lot longer. We're not going to drink this stuff or use this to wash dishes, but it's great to flush the toilet. So right now our solar is kicking in about 1430 watts. Coming out to 51 amps that it's charging right now. I actually have our hot water heater on right now. Oops. Our batteries are at 91%, but we're only taking 13 amps out of the batteries right now. 369 watts coming out of the batteries of that load that's going to the water heater. So 1500 watts are going out for that battery charger, or for the hot water heater right now. So solar is pretty much doing everything I could ask it to do. We're getting ready to take the thing in. We got to go to Tractor Supply. So we got our, I got some rubber gloves and hand sanitizer and some disinfecting wipes with us, so I think we'll be okay. But the thing is ready for a nice summer day. I'm going to get a 35-gallon water tote so we can transfer some water to our freshwater tank without moving the bus off the property. The neighbors are going to let us fill that up at their home. So I wasn't sure if it was going to fit in the door of the thing with the hard top on, so we removed the top. It just takes 2 minutes to do it, real easy. But cute little car, huh? There's our 35-gallon tote, and we're just using gravity feed to bring it down into the bus, just running a hose, and it just goes right over. And this is higher than the tank is, so it's not going at a super fast rate, but it's doing, maybe a gallon a minute, something like that, just by gravity. Okay, so I've removed the Onan generator here, and I have it hooked up as an auxiliary power station. So I've got the fuel tank here and everything hooked up with the battery. Tons of room in there. I just need to clean some stuff out, but we're getting there. But yeah, I can still run this. And then I have a power adapter that I can plug into. This is wired into the generator here, so I can plug my shore power cord in there and have 220 power off of this generator anytime while I'm here at home right now. So we did really good. We've been here, I think, what, 12 days? And we've only used less than 30 gallons of water, of fresh water. When we went to fill that 35 gallons up, it was overflowing on the tank before it even got done. So the water we've been using to flush the toilet and stuff that we've been collecting from rainwater has really helped us conserve a lot of water.
See him loading up his tools, check the air and all those duels. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Well, he's got a long hard ride in that pre-war silver sides. Get that bus grease monkey on the road. Well, he's got that hammer down in that 47 Hound. It's that bus grease monkey on the road. He travels all around and he's coming to your town. Get that bus grease monkey down the road. See that 4104 with the propped up engine door. Watch that bus grease monkey do his thing. 30 years behind that barn, 'cause it don't run worth a darn. Watch that bus grease monkey make it sing. He knows in Detroit there's no doubt, upside down and inside out. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in that old blue silver sides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Get that bus grease monkey down the road. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know?